HOA fees. If you're considering a home within a homeowners association, HOA, brace yourself for monthly or annual fees that aren't always advertised up front. HOA fees cover shared amenities like pools, gyms, landscaping, and sometimes even utilities, but they can add a significant expense to your budget. These fees vary widely depending on the neighborhood and the amenities offered. A community with luxury features like tennis courts or a private clubhouse will naturally come with higher dues. Even if the amenities seem worth it, the costs can increase yearly, catching homeowners off guard. HOA fees aren't just about enjoying perks. They also fund community repairs and maintenance. If there's major damage to a shared area or an unexpected expense, you might face a special assessment. This is an additional fee imposed on homeowners to cover costs that the HOA's reserves can't handle. Always ask for a copy of the HOA agreement before you buy. Understanding the rules and fees helps you avoid surprises down the road. You'll thank yourself later when those beautifully maintained green spaces don't drain your bank account.